Good morning, traders, investors. Dale Circle Trader Boys. We got the markets up. Markets up. So everything's up about 0.25% except for the NASDAQ up 0.75%. Dollar is down again. Money flowing to bonds. Money coming out of oil here, surprisingly. And a little bit of money going into gold. Maybe got a turnaround in gold here, up 1% already. Big names, big players here, big tech stocks are all up. On the daily chart of the S&P 500, start the week out here. We can see Thursday, Friday of last week, we really didn't make any progress, didn't really get anywhere. So what we're looking for is a break above these highs, and we should be able to get to around the 3,500 mark within a week or two here. Market should remain strong, news permitting, but there's really no reason for the markets to sell off at this point. Keep that rally coming under attack, and we'll see the S&P up here about 3,500 within a week to two. On the 60-minute time frame, not a lot to report here. I mean, you can see here sideways here, big drop away, broke below the low. So we do have supply here in the overnight session. The Globex session coming in from Sunday night is preventing that market to go up. And then we get the overnight supply here coming in from Thursday last week. That's what kind of put the top in the market, or a short-term top in the market. We should be able to break through both of those and get to the upside here without too much trouble. Not too much trouble, but you can see there's a lot of work to get through to get to the upside just there. Yeah. On the Russell 2000, we can call this a slight retracement. We are still inside days, and especially today, the Globex session is still inside of that of Friday. So be cautious on the Russell. If we start to see money cycle out of technology, you'll see us cycle into the Russell, and that's when you take the trade on the Russell there. When we're looking at the NASDAQ, the NAS is into supply right now, and this is the supply coming from Friday of last week, and then we get the overhead supply up here that we hit Thursday. So NASDAQ looks very similar to the S&P 500. It's got a lot of work to do to get to the upside, but I wouldn't be too concerned about it not going up at this point. If we do get a retracement, which can definitely happen with these supply levels, look for the retracement back into this little demand right here. And this is going to be a solid area, and that'll give us then, if we do get the retracement, which would be phenomenal, that'll give you a great buying opportunity. And 10,960, then you're looking for a big, good solid run up to the upside there. So we got the VIX here staying low, not much to report there. On the oil markets, nice little retracement into a little demand level here. You kind of see over the weeks here now. Couple weeks here, we're going sideways, but there is a little demand level just down below us here, so that maybe give us some support and get us back to the upside and get us into a little bit more of a trend on the upward direction. Oil is going to be really based on the coronavirus. Right? We see more less and less coronavirus as more and more of the economy open up, and we'll see the demand on oil increase. Right? Lastly here, we got gold. Gold is trying to break above the high here, so if gold can break these highs right here, that's game on. So gold is already in the uptrend. You get the higher high, you get the higher pivot lows here. We are already in the uptrend. If you get a little retracement, this could be an area to look for right here to retrace into. Now what I want to see is above the high right here, then look for the retracement if we get it. If not, we may base, and we may get the breakout trade to the upside. Dale Circle Trader Boys, have a phenomenal trading week. Keep your stops in, stay safe, and I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning.